Steven Seagull, Action Hero by Elys, Dolan. It's about these people making big holes and all these wheels.
Start at the beginning.
It's about Steven Seagull, who used to be a cop and now he's retired.
The start.
Yeah.
Somebody's stealing
all
all
the
the sand.
But he used to be a cop.
The ice cream van.
Steven's partner needs help to find out who's stealing the sand. And to go around the beach asking everybody.
They asked the seal. They asked the fish.
They asked the seagull. And they asked the sharks. And nobody
answered. Dow has some lipstick on.
Okay.
That's the funny page. The lipstick.
Let me find it. This page. Because all the sharks and stuff fell in the holes. It was funny about the fish drowning, but because fish don't drown because they're a fish. Help, help! My friend is drowning, cried Steven. Really, it's okay.
I'm a fish.
Really, it's fine, said Mac. I'm a fish. Shh, said Steven. It's all part of my plan. But Steven didn't seem to have much of a plan until... I'll save you, cried Lola. She looked like a hippo. Thump, thump. Everything became clear. It's really worth reading.
Because it's still a book.
This book's really worth reading. You can win it from us. Even dinosaurs love underpants.
Down below.
Click the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the like button down below. Leave a comment and you'll have a chance to win this book.
Leave a comment, please, down below. Thank you. From Banana Smiles TV.